Hello, my beautiful revivers. I am coming to you with the menstrual cup. Now, if you know me, I'm always trying to find ways to save money, my coins, and also ways to make my footprint much smaller on the environment. So, years ago, someone told me about these cups, and I will say I did judge, and I'm being honest with you. And the reason why I'm being honest with you, because I want you to understand that this does happen in our lives, where when we're unfamiliar or don't know about things, we tend to judge versus doing research. So quite a lot I've been really contemplating. Do some research on your own and figure this out. I literally have been looking into different cups and reading all the reviews. I read the reviews to really get a feel of the different ideals that people have when they go into trying to try the cups for the first time, if they've been using them for a while, just all the different types of people, ages, and experiences with the cups. And out of all the cups, this cup right here stood out to me. One, for the fact that the price was amazing. Like literally, I pray and meditate on a lot of things, and this was one. I had the actual, I think it's called the organic cup, in my cart for some time. And before the organic cup, there was another cup that I had in my cart, and it said literally, when I waited and prayed, is this the cup that I should have? It literally said currently unavailable. When I went back to go purchase, I said, okay, I'm going to purchase it. It said currently unavailable. I said, thank you, universe. Okay, so that's not it. So then I found the organic cup. Now, when I found the organic cup, it was $10 cheaper than the cup that I was going to get originally. The first cup was $30. This one was $19. And so I put it in my cart and I prayed on it. I kid you guys not. The price of that cup almost doubled when I went to go buy it. I don't take things lightly. When you reach out and try to get insight on things, it can be the smallest things. If your heart is pure and you are aligned, you will start to get answers that are so clear about certain things in your life, right? So then I said, oh no, I'm not paying that amount for something that I'm going to be trying for the first time. So I continued to search, and as I'm searching down, a video pops up, and it was on Amazon, and it was a video review of the Talisi, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Talisi cup. And I said, oh, wow, what's this? And it looks like you get 2 of them. So when I pressed it, I watched the review. It was so amazing how the woman who did the review, it was just like, I connected with everything that she said she looked for in the cup and the reason why she decided to go with this cup. Not only that, but I'm unboxing this cup and I'm showing you this cup and I'm sharing this with you. This cup had thousands of reviews. And guess what, guys? Guess what? This cup was $10. Wait, not this cup, these cups for 2. And I believe that I also get something. Look, I'm opening it. There's something else that you get. Look how nicely I did not this. I am doing this for the first time with you guys. Like, this is a pure unboxing with you guys. Okay. So this is what made me really say they are giving you more than your bang for your buck. Okay. So we have a sterilization cup. We have the different ways to insert it, how to clean it, how to sterilize it, right? All that good stuff. The insertion, removal, the small cup versus the large cup, your flow, and which one you should consider using during the different flows that you might have, light days or heavy days. Is your cup, if your cup is stained, how to wash it and all that good stuff. So that's what it looks like, right? Now, this is the sterilization cup. I mean, you get this and 2 cups. Like, come on now, for $10, I don't have a problem trying it, and it might be just what I like. So it may just be that I was just blessed, and I feel I was. And this is like, it comes apart. So it's like, it folds up. And this is 100%, you hear me? 100% sterile. Well, it is sterile. Now that I'm touching it, it's not, but silicone. So we have that. And so if you have to travel and you know that you need to wear your cup or bring your cup with you, you can actually put the cups in here with this open and put them in your travel bag, or you can keep this folded and then keep your cups in this little travel pack that they give you, which is amazing. So let's see what the actual cups look like and what they feel like. I've never felt one. I've never used the cup. This is going to be new to me, but it's something that I think that I'm going to enjoy. So hold on, let me get something to, oh, here goes some scissors right here. So we're going to open these. This is like a new to me, new to you guys at the same time. And I like to be in depth with things like this because a lot of us look for things, and sometimes people do reviews and they're just not giving you enough information for you to even want to try it. But even with my bamboo pads, which I still will be wearing the panty liners, if I decide to go fully with the cup, I'll wear the panty liner and the cup, you know, together, because I just feel like you should always wear panty liners. So yeah, so these are the two cups. This is the small one, and this is what it looks like. And this is the large one. That's why it was inside like that. So this is a large one. They're not too different in size, but you can tell that there is a difference between the two. You probably can't on here, but there is a difference between the two. So this is the large one, and it shows you all the methods. This was the easiest method. Which one was it? The C, I think she bended in. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But the reason I came to you guys is because I want you to see me unboxing it, and I want you to follow my journey with the cup. So Tom will be here in a couple weeks. So because of that, I wanted to do this review so that way I can use it for when Tom comes, which is time a month for those who don't know. So when Tom comes, I will be using this for the first time, and I will be letting you guys know. Now, I have a heavy flow. I don't know which one I need to use. This is a little bit different from allowing the flow to go into a pad. You really can't see how much that you're you know, removing, the waste that you're removing. So I'll probably start off with this one and then probably end off with this one as it starts to get light later on. Or probably begin with this one, then this one will be probably like day 2, 3 on, and then end off with this one. I don't know. I'm going to keep track of it, kind of tell you guys how it works and let you know how this works. This is supposed to be something you sterilize these with. So you would take this and you'll put water in it and you'll put it in the microwave, and you will sterilize your cups in the microwave like so. Isn't that cute? None of the other ones are giving you all of this. A travel case, 2 cups, 2 different sizes, and a sterilization cup. Like, come on now. So guys, that is my unboxing of the Talisi, I don't know. Talisi, I think that's how you say it. Cup. And like I said, it's a large or small, a sterilizer, a carry bag, and user-friendly instructions is what come inside this. So if you are interested in the cup, stay tuned, because once I use it for the first time, I'm going to let you know how these feel inside, how easy they were to put in and take out. I'm going to, you know, have little notes that I document on this journey of being a new menstrual cup wearer. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and become a reviver and hit the notification bell, because I load videos at different times and it can be random and I don't want you to miss out. Remember, stick to the script, because your script, because you are the best at it. And I will see you guys later, Gators.